Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to replace a water pump on a Chrysler 300. First, gather your essential tools including a 13mm socket, a 15mm socket, and a 3/8" drive ratchet. Always ensure your engine is completely cool before beginning. For safety, disconnect the negative battery cable. Finally, raise your vehicle securely using jack stands to access the underside. Now let's drain the coolant. Place a drain pan beneath the radiator and open the petcock, typically on the bottom passenger side, allowing all fluid to drain. Once empty, close the petcock. Next, remove the air intake tube and release the tension on the serpentine belt to remove it. Disconnect any hoses and electrical connectors attached to the water pump and remove components like the belt tensioner that obstruct access. With access clear, unbolt and carefully remove the old water pump. There are typically several 13mm bolts around its perimeter. Take your time to clean the mounting surface on the engine block thoroughly, ensuring no old gasket material remains. This step is crucial for a leak-free seal. Install your new water pump, tightening all bolts to the manufacturer's specified torque. Finally, reattach all hoses and electrical connectors. Now it's time to refill the cooling system. Use a 50-50 mix of appropriate coolant and distilled water, pouring it slowly into the reservoir. Start the engine, set the heater to its highest setting, and allow the system to bleed out any air pockets. Keep the reservoir cap off during this process. Once the engine reaches operating temperature, check all connections for leaks and monitor the coolant level and temperature gauge closely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.